How to save a TikTok video. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we will guide you on how to save a TikTok video directly from the TikTok app. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and find the video you want to save. Let's walk through the steps together. Once you've found the video, tap the share icon on the right side of the screen. It looks like an arrow pointing to the right. Now, you'll see several options. Select Save Video. The video will automatically download and be saved to your device's gallery or camera roll. And there you have it. Now you can save any TikTok video you like. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. See you in the next one.